this is me Kamna Kafle. Today I'm here at Arkansas State University, and today I am planning to go to the farm where our university or University of Arkansas is flying the drone for certain things. So today we will be visiting there, and this is my class. And no one has came yet, but I'm here to collect the information from the people who are like studying here, and I have already talked to the undergrad student, and I am planning to give you information, lots of information. It may be helpful for me or you as well, so that you can learn how the things are happening over here in the United States. So this will be my first official vlog, or any kind of information that I got, I will be sharing with you all. So see you there. I have 2 classes, and after that classes I will be leaving for the farm. So someone will assist me, guide me, who is flying the drone. He will be helping me out with the things. So thank you, see you, bye bye. आज चाहिँ अब म अहिले चाहिँ कलेज जान आँटेको युनिभर्सिटी, अनि आज चाहिँ म आज ड्रोन उडाएको ठाउँमा जाँदैछु. सो हेलो एभ्रिवान, इट्स मी कामना एन्ड आई एम हियर स्टडिङ एट Arkansas State University. Like, what are we doing with these cameras?
We're monitoring nitrogen deficiencies.
Okay.
We can see plant growth, variations, bug infestations under certain.
Okay, this is cover of the
circumstances.
camera. Okay.
Yeah.
What is this?
That's the calibration panel for the camera,
Okay.
and you have to take a picture of this before each flight, because
Okay.
the way it's reflectance is off the sun is how the imagery aligns it. You know,
Okay.
gives you the different values.
Okay. What are the things that we are taking in the farm for the like flying? This camera,
Yep. All this.
and
that.
then this is file for registration. What's that in here?
They are USB drives.
Okay.
I switch USB drives in
Okay.
between each flight.
Okay. Okay.
Each flight will have about anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 images. per
Okay. This
48
is
grid.
drone.
Yes.
Okay. We will be taking this too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's all the batteries for over here.
Okay. We will be taking the batteries too.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm probably going to charge some more on the way.
Okay.
All these are charged. I always like to have extras.
Okay. Okay. We are packing it.
I'm going to carry this one. Be careful with it, because that camera's $13,000. Just the camera.
I will carry the camera.
Yeah, be careful with that.
I can also carry this. Yeah. Done. You are loading on Johnson. Can I help?
No, you're
Okay. Okay. You will close the door, right? Okay, we are going. We are going. Bye. Every time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I do the record? Like, we can just do the conversation, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going to, like, first of all, you can introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Mitchell Price.
Okay, and then you are the one who is flying the drones over here in Arkansas State University,
Yes.
right? And what kind of farm we are going to?
It'll be all rice today, roll and levee irrigated rice.
Okay.
Most of it's precision leveled, well, all of it today is going to be precision leveled.
Okay.
And we're at the end of harvest. We're just trying to get values and NDVI mainly right now on Red Edge.
Okay, what does that NDVI stands for?
Normalized vegetation differential index.
Okay. Like how many times have you been visited and flying the drones over that farm that we are going now?
I've flown once a week since May.
And you have like collecting the samples.
Yes.
And you are like working under?
Dr. Michelle Reba.
Okay.
The USDA.
Okay. Okay, now we will continue after some time.
She's been in the Peace Corps and worked for the forestry
Okay.
forestry department, and she's been on like every farm except two.
We cannot make it by like this way, but what are the things we have to like look over for the precaution, not like giving them to drop down from now onwards?
Relift water out of streams and rivers.
Okay.
That would be reservoirs. A lot of people have built reservoirs in this area to supplement, groundwater. And actually, we have government programs that will help farmers build reservoirs on their land.
Do you get subsidized?
Yes.
Subsidies? Okay, what kind of subsidies did you get from the government?
It's subsidies to build a reservoir.
Okay.
I don't know exactly how much. I think it's like 25 to 50% the government will pay of the cost of the reservoir.
Okay.
And then every year that you use the reservoir, you get a kickback from not pumping groundwater. So there's subsidies every year for it. But
this is Arkansas, yeah? Which part of Arkansas we are traveling to?
Northeast.
Okay.
We'll be in Northeast Arkansas.
Okay. Is there any particular name of this place?
Egypt.
Okay.
Egypt, Arkansas, and then we will. Pretty sure we're still in Craighead County.
Okay.
Rule of thumb would be if you can't see green out in it, it's ready.
Okay.
I would say that was ready.
Okay.
Yeah, my family owns some of their farms.
This is soybean, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Shitty soybeans.
Okay.
They're not very good. I have 3 out of the 4
Okay.
left. They're harvesting right over there.
Okay.
Have you seen that yet?
Yeah, I have seen it.
Or like have you seen a combine harvesting?
Yeah, we use there. But I don't think it's used in, like, it is really necessary over there. Because we are doing in small farm, right? And it's not like that much use as we can use here.
Do y'all grow watermelons in Nepal?
Yeah, we do grow. But
this is all row rice.
okay.
We've already taken some of our instrumentation out because they're about to harvest.
Okay.
But down there is the EC tower,
Okay.
the 80 covariance.
Okay. You are doing setting.
Do what?
You are setting now.
Yeah.
Okay. Just let me know if you need some help from my side.
No,
You will come like always alone.
most of the rants, you know, the real tall guy.
Yeah, I know him.
He comes with me sometimes.
Okay.
He flies too.
Really? Oh my god.
I said that I was the only one. He flies a little bit for Dr. Vincent.
Okay.
He just started this summer.
Okay.
I had to train him.
Okay.
But he flies for Vincent, and I fly for Dr. Reba.
Okay.
And now it really doesn't have any research quads or anything, but this is a DJI M200
Okay.
Matrice.
Okay.
And this we've got the light sensor on top. And that gets the sun's reflectance.
Okay.
Have you heard anything with drone?
No, not yet. I wish someday.
Get your pilot's license, and it isn't hard to fly this one.
Okay.
It's all carbon fiber though, the legs and arms, to make it
Yeah.
not as heavy. We've got to always call the airstrip in the area too, because it's really scary when you're flying and the crop duster like flies and plays chicken with the drone.
Okay. Okay, you are just setting this every like yeah. Okay.
All the props. The ones on that have the circle around them, they match up with the ones that have the lines.
Okay.
So you know which ones to put where.
Okay.
Also, if it's warm,
Mhm.
you need to let this sit out for a minute.
Okay.
Because the lights will fill up pretty quick.
Mhm.
It may not be too hot today. We have two gimbals on this drone,
Okay.
so technically we could have another camera on the other side.
It will save in that way, right? Okay.
This is good to go.
Okay. All done?
That one's
Okay.
I'm gonna stick this on the charger in the truck.
Okay.
This is the mobile hotspot, and we have to have it for when I switch to the iPad. It has to hook up to the
Okay.